Right. Today I'm going to record this short video, which would be definitely of interest for the auditors, and even finance professionals can have some interest in this video. This is basically related to the subject that is how to do the sampling by using the Excel as a tool to enable us do the sampling on systematic basis or on random basis, so in order to avoid or eliminate the human bias or human judgment. So here we have the data. Okay, first let me do this. So this is the hypothetical data. uh, uh, this has been taken from an accounting software. From any accounting software, normally you can find a utility to export your data into Excel format. So after that you normally get the data into this form, which is without any serial number. So because our technique requires serial number as a base, so that's why we need to first insert the serial number. So let me insert the column here. Okay, and we want to put serial number. So we can see here we have uh, 1369 rows of data. Why 1369? Because two rows, one row is empty, another row consists of headings. So here 1371, we deduct the two which are not the data, then the data actually consists of 1369 rows, right? So we have to put 1369 serial numbers. And how we can efficiently put that is like you can write one here, and then you can go to this tab, which is called uh, uh, you know serial series fill, or you can call it a quick fill of serial number. So here you can find the function series. Then you will have a window in front of you. You will click on the columns, and then you will go here. Starting point is 1 and ending point should be 1369. After that you can press OK. So you can see now you have the serial number here. Okay, so this was the first step. Second step is, uh, if you are the student of audit, or if you are working as auditor, you you should already know the concept that in audit we have the concept of population. Population means the entire data. In this case these are basically vouchers, payment vouchers and general vouchers. This is a ledger. So this entire ledger for the given period, or that we call audit period, this is called population, right? So this is our population, and our entire population consists of 1369 rows of data, right? But in audit it's not recommended, and it's not even practical to carry out the audit on the 100% of the population. So it's always recommended that auditors use a sampling technique. That means they select a sample out of the population, uh, and effectively that sample should be representative of the entire population. So here we are talking about sample. For sample, let's say we want to have 20% of the population as our sample, right? So 273, okay, we can call it 274, right? So this is our sample. Out of 1369 population, we want to select 274. These are basically vouchers. So there are 1369 vouchers, and but we want to select 274 vouchers for our audit. Okay, so now the question is how to efficiently select these 274 vouchers out of 1369 vouchers. So in Excel we have ran between formula, which is a very useful formula that will generate for us the numbers, or representing the vouchers randomly. without human bias being involved into it. So how to do that? We'll have to select 274 cells or rows, and the efficient way is to just go down here to 274, right. So here 274. Okay, let me put 0 here. You can put anything here, 1 2 3 a b c, whatever. And here I want to start. Okay, so let me press shift alongside control and then down arrow key. I will reach the cell which I had selected. So now effectively I have selected 274 cells. Now press equals to sign and run between formula. Okay, bottom should be 1 and top should be the entire population, that is 1369. Bracket close and press the enter alongside control. So press enter and press control and then enter. Okay, now the computer has this run between function of the Excel has generated the numbers representing the vouchers which we want to use for our audit purposes. One thing to note is here, is that the run between formula, it will keep changing its result every time we press enter. So in order to avoid that, just copy and paste it as values. So we'll go here, we'll paste them as values here, right? So we now these numbers will not change. Okay, so we put them here as values. So these are serial numbers. So note one thing, the heading of the serial number which is part of population should be the same here also. Yeah, it is the same heading, and this is this we can call our criteria, this column, this entire column from here till here. Okay, this is our criteria. Now we'll use the advanced filter function of the Excel to extract the these vouchers out of the entire population for us. So here you can see we have the sample sheet. So here we will use the formula. You'll go to data. Okay, in data you will click on the advanced filter, and then you will go to the sheet which has the data. You will select the entire data or the entire population, whatever you call it. You will go to criteria range, and then you again will go to this main sheet. You will select your criteria, that is here, from here till the end. This is your criteria, and here you want to copy to another sheet, because the main sheet is the data sheet and the sample sheet is separate sheet. So copy to another location, right? And here we want to copy it here. Okay, now okay, right. So you can see your required data you have already uh, you have the required data in this sample sheet. Actually you have selected your sample using Excel in an efficient way, and also you have been able to eliminate the human bias in sampling the sample size for you. So okay, one thing to note is that you can see here we have 240, but over there it was 274. Why this? Because here some of the vouchers may have been repeated more than one time. Yeah, but the advanced filter formula eliminates the duplication. It only selects one voucher one time only, not more than one. That's why this 240 means the 34 vouchers were actually not the unique vouchers, they were the repeat numbers. Okay, so one voucher was repeated more than one time or two times, so it has eliminated that. So that is why you have now 240 as your sample. Now you can easily carry out your audit procedures on these vouchers, right? You can see here, for example, this is 6, just to verify, serial number 6, and this is JV, and the amount is 11,481. Let's go to the main sheet. Okay, and let's go to 6. You can see here it is okay, the name is JV, it's actually PV. Here is also it is PV J00194. Okay, here you can see J00194, and then amount is 11,481. So means it will not do any mistake at all, because it's Excel function which will not do any mistake. This doesn't involve human input. Okay, so I hope this video may be of some use or of some help to you, and I hope you will like this video. Okay.